Hello my fellow family foodie friends, it's Jackie, and today I'm going to share with you my favorite kitchen gadget, the Immersion blender. It is absolutely my favorite thing to have in a kitchen that's not like an essential, even though I kind of feel like it's an essential. I am sharing this with you guys because Black Friday is coming soon. I bought this probably 8 or 9 years ago on Black Friday. I don't even remember when. It's been that long. But I love it. I've used it every single year. I use it all throughout the year, and I feel like it's a great investment. When I bought it, it wasn't that expensive. I feel like it's tradition that every single year this is a Black Friday item. So whether you see it on Amazon, linked below, Kohl's, Target, wherever, if you see the Cuisinart Smart Stick, you need to get yourself one. It is amazing. I love it, and I've been using it for years. So the model I'm sharing with you guys is probably a little bit older, but I think that just goes to show that it is a great tool. I have had it for so long. It still works wonderful. I have no thoughts of replacing it because it's been amazing. And look how pretty it is. So I do, like I said, I have the Cuisinart Smart Stick. I'm going to show you guys some uses that I have for it. You've seen it in lots of my videos if you've watched some of my food videos, but this is a release button in the back. Easily pops off. That's to wash it. You don't submerge this, but I stick it in water. I turn it on. That gets most of everything off, and then I wash it gently. Don't stick it in water. Wash this off gently. I've been using it for years, and it still is a beaut. Of course, you don't want to put that in water. Easily pops back together. This button, it's just single speed. It does everything I need it to do. If I only want it to go a little bit, I just don't go very long. If I need it to be really pureed, I just go for a longer time, but I don't have a high and low button. It's a single speed, this one, but I love it and I highly recommend it. I've actually had friends that borrow this from me, and I've had friends that, based on my recommendation, get themselves one, and no one has come back and slapped me and told me how silly.
Take it out of the words. You tell me I look good. You tell me I look good. I know it's just me. I'll find another savior, feeling cold to the bone. You've got to fight to get out of the storm. I know, it's time, I just tried to be good. You've got to break to get tell me I look good.
So this is, it's grody by now, but this is the box that mine came in, and I'm just going to read to you some of the stuff it says. It says clean and easy. You can blend right in a pot, a bowl, a beaker. That's what I love about it. I don't have to transfer anything as long as it is deep. I mean, it doesn't even need to be that deep, and wide enough for it to fit. It works. The stainless shaft reaches and kind of protects the blade, kind of helps you crush stuff. It says go from hot and cold. It can puree winter soups to icy hot chocolates, and it's really convenient and comfortable. I do feel like the grip is really easy to hold. I have never had any like ergonomic issues, but I don't really think of that when I buy kitchen stuff anyways. One simple touch power control. It has a high motor, ergonomic grip, blends right in. It goes right into your stuff, is what that means. Clean, easy to use, dishwasher safe blending shaft. I didn't even know that was a thing. I hand wash it every single time. I'm probably not going to change that, but I did not know it says it can go in the dishwasher. And then it comes with a mixing beaker. This is convenient if you want to use it for shakes. Sorry. This is convenient if you want to use it for shakes. I have some water spots on mine, but it does have measurements on the side and it fits this nicely. One thing I actually like about the beaker is like if I'm making broccoli cheese soup and I want to blend some of the broccoli, you can just transfer some of it in here, blend it, and then pour it right back in your soup. I mainly use this for soups and ice cream shakes. Those are what I use it for the most. If you're looking for a review and someone's honest, unbiased opinion on if you should buy a Cuisinart Smart Stick Immersion Blender, I am your gal and I'm telling you to do it. If you're looking for a bad influence, here it is. Do it, spend the money, get the gadget, go, go. Also, it's a really good gift if you have someone in your life that likes to be in the kitchen and they like to accumulate gadgets like I do. This is a good one to add to their toolbox. Bottom line, I love it. I use it all the time. It's held up for years. It's been well worth the money and it's a great value for the cost that you pay. If you want to see how I use my Immersion blender, full recipes, I'm going to share with you 2 recipes. One is my tomato soup recipe and one is my cider shake. Both of them are delicious and both of them use this little lady. Ciao down and cheers.